Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from REALME GT7 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your apps are ready, launch them. Now to use Send Anywhere apps, you need to set them up by clicking on the same options in both. Let's start with the one on REALME. Click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select confirm at the bottom. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then whatever you want to in all the other ones. Now on an Android do exactly the same. So I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Whatever you want to in those three. And from here you can finally hit send at the bottom left corner of REALME and receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on REALME, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In some of those categories, contacts and files, the last two, you need to choose allow a few more times to access your content and select it. When you're ready to continue, hit send next to selected at the bottom, and if you decided to transfer any apps, hit OK in the pop-up. Now hit got it in Here's Some Tip 1 and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, tap on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up by hitting while using the app, or only this time, and point your Android's camera at the code. Whatever you decided, just wait. Close all of those ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!